Morning everyone. It's early in the morning, like 5:45 a.m. in the morning. I just wanted to share this video with everyone just to say that look, first thing in the morning whilst human beings are sleeping, I've just woken up. However, look at the world outside, as in the wildlife. They're busy communicating with each other. If you listen carefully to the sound, it's just full of so much positivity. It's really good. I wanted to record it for everyone because by the time everyone wakes up, you won't even get to hear these sounds. Look at nature at work. In the UK, there's much of an assumption that during daytime all you can hear is cars. However, early in the morning, if you pay attention, you can hear the wildlife talking to each other and you know how they're communicating. They're very active at this time. They've got a lot to say to each other, haven't they? I don't normally get up this early in the morning. It's just I heard the sound of the birds and I thought I'd just record it for everyone. No matter what happens in the world, look at their communication, it still continues. I'm just staying quiet so all the sounds can be captured. You can tell the seasons have changed as well because the birds are a lot more active now. The thing is, with the weather changes and climate change, even the wildlife must be wondering, what are the humans doing? What is going on? What's that? Is that a hedgehog? Something there? What's that? I don't know what that is. Hedgehog? Never seen one of them in my life. I don't know what it is. What's that? Does anyone know what that is?